Okay, hello everyone. Now I'm going to demonstrate our project. First, let me show you the whole circuit and the function of each component. First, as you can see, our group use one Arduino board, and we have one LCD screen here. It can show some basic messages and information to the user, and there is one green LED for showing the status of the smart lock. Also, we have a 7-segment display here. It will be used as a 10 seconds counting down timer in this system. For the smart lock, for the smart lock, we use the servo motor as the smart lock, so the lock is unlocked when motor angle is 90 degrees, and the lock is locked when motor angle is 0 degree. Also, we have one ultrasonic sensor for detecting here. The ultrasonic sensor for detecting the distance between people and the door. For the Wi-Fi module, you can see that here. This one is a Wi-Fi module built into the this Arduino board, and this can save the overhead of pins. Sorry, it means that we can connect more other sensors or components to this Arduino board. Okay, let's go to the programming part here. Here is our programming code. Actually the programming will be stored into the Arduino board after we run any programming using Arduino IDE when the Arduino board is connecting to the computer via a USB cable. So for better demonstration, I connect this Arduino board to my computer use this USB cable. As you can see, the circuit is working. So let's back to the Arduino IDE. First thing we need to do is compile the program. So the upload means that compiling, and I will click it, and this show the program is compiling now, and we just wait it for a few seconds. There are some messages shown here. It's about the Arduino, the basic message about the Arduino board. Okay, there are 5 lines message here shown here. Means that the process of compiling is has done. So next thing we need to do is click the serial monitor, and there's message showing on the window, and there are also some message showing on the screen, LCD screen. As you can see, the screen we use is too small, and it just shows the 8 units of string, so we have to roll and shift the string left and right again and again in order to show the whole messages to the user. So you may also notice that there are also messages shown on the serial monitors again and again, and the connecting message shown on the LCD. These 2 messages means that the Wi-Fi module is working, and it's searching the Wi-Fi hotspot nearby. So let's take like here. This 2 lines is for Wi-Fi connection, and this is show the SSID and also my phone name, and this is password of my Wi-Fi shared by 4G hotspot. So if I were the owner of the house and I was standing outside the door now, and the smartphone and the smart lock is locked and the door is closed. So the next thing I need to is that we need to use the phone to open the hotspot for sharing to the Wi-Fi to the Wi-Fi module. And we go to the setting and personal hotspot. As you can see, my phone's name is here, same as here. Yeah. So the password here, and next thing we need to do is just press this button, allow others to join, and the next we need to the Wi-Fi connection. Yeah, as you can see, the Wi-Fi connection is successful, and there is a IP address of client server. This IP address actually is the IP address of client server. So we just remember this IP address and then open any browser, website browser in the phone. So I open the Safari and tap this IP address here. Yeah, so 72.20.10.5 and add this symbol slash and lock, yeah, string. So for the convenience and more easy to understand this demonstration, we set a situation that if someone stand outside the door and the distance from the person to the door is less than 10 centimeters, as you can see, here is around 10 centimeters, and we use this box as a person. So when this person walks towards to the door, and now he just used his phone or her phone and go to this website server, and you can see that the servo motor will change the angle from 0 to 90, and the unlocked message will show on the LCD, and the LED will be turned on. This means that the smart lock is unlocked. And also there is some message printed on website server, like the status of smart lock is unlocked, and there is a lock button. So at this moment, this person this person is still standing in front of the door, and we let the person leave away from the door. When the person is more than 10 centimeters from the door, so the counting down timer will be working, and become 0, the whole system the smart lock will be locked, and the angle will be changed from 90 degree to 0 degree, and the LED will turn off, and 7-segment display will be resetted. Yeah. And so another situation is that the user can use their phone to lock the smartphone instead of the counting down timer. So they just pressing the lock button. So let's go back to the scene where people are about to leave and the lock is unlocked. So when the people around the door, and now it's locked, the smart lock is locked. So what I need to do is unlock this circuit. Yeah. Now the smart lock is unlocked, and the next thing we need to do is that the person standing outside, and the distance is more than 10 centimeters, and then click this button. Yeah, and the locked message will print on the LCD screen, and the motor angle will change its angle from 90 degree and to 0 degree, and 7-segment, the digit in the 7-segment will be reset, and there are some messages shown on the website server. The status of smart lock is locked. Yes, that's right. Yeah, and there is a unlock button here. So Actually, the counting down timer is for the situation which is that the user forgot to lock the door after they were leaving their house, and then the smart lock system will check again will lock the door, will lock the smart lock automatically when the digit in the 7-second display becomes 0. So okay, then that's all I want to demonstrate today. Thank you.